Redmi Note 8 Pro sound and speaker problem fix. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, you have to go to the settings of your device and then you can see the option of about phone at the very first. Then tap on that. Here you can see the version of your phone, then tap on that and make sure that your phone is updated. You can also check for any updates if they are available on your device. After checking on for your updates, go back and you can scroll down until you find the option of factory reset. Tap on that and you can see all the items that you can erase. Now scrolling down, you can see the option of erase all data. Now tapping on erasing all data will lead all your data to be deleted from your device. After that, what you can do is you can tap on the power button of your device and then select on reboot and restart your device, and this shall solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.